Okay, hi guys. So today video I just wanna try to install Gentoo Linux. Gentoo Linux, yeah, this OS or this distribution to a virtual machine. As a virtual machine, I just wanna install Gentoo Linux to in a virtual machine. So what's Gentoo Linux? And in this video I just wanna talk about so many things, but I don't make it long because it's really boring. In my opinion, I should try to say important stuff and in short way. So first I should talk about Gentoo and maybe read some Wikipedia about it. Then I will talk about why you should try installing Gentoo. And the third step, I will try to say why you should use it. And number 4 is why I make this video. And number 5 is, are you bored? So obviously you will be bored. So okay, let's try the first step. What's Gentoo? Gentoo is a Linux distribution. Is it free? No, it's not free. I mean free as freedom, not paying money. I mean freedom. It's not free because FSF said it's not free. Justice. Okay, but for me it doesn't matter much, but I respect RMS and Free Software Foundation. So okay, I try to install Gentoo Linux right now. And why I said the second step. I said why you should try to installing Gentoo. Maybe you are a GNU Linux user and you are using Debian, or you are using Ubuntu, or you are using Mint, or any most popular distros, or maybe Pop OS distros in the world. But the problem is, if you want to learn more and deeply GNU Linux, learn more about it, you should try other stuff, not for your desktop OS. For example, try it in your VirtualBox, Virt Manager, or any virtualization you like actually. So yeah, it's good. It's good practice. It will give you good information. More problems give you more knowledge. So I will try to make problems in my Virt Manager or VirtualBox or any virtualization you like. So yeah, and I want to install it to learn more about how I can install distros like this. Arch Linux is like this, but it's not same, it's much different. Okay, so about number 3, why you should use it? I don't know, I don't use it as my desktop. As you see right now, uh, I'm using Debian, so I don't use Gentoo, but so I don't have an answer for this, but I know so many people use it. So I don't want to say you have to use it. I just want to install it and tell you how to install it. Of course, the way you have to install it, it's not this video. You just have to go to Gentoo website and go to wiki like this. Go to gentoo.org, yeah, and try to go wiki. Okay, good connection. And go to handbook and then find your architecture. Maybe still the network is very cool, so I can see it so fast. So okay, now you can see the architectures. For example, Alpha AMD64, and most of the people using AMD64. So you go to AMD64 page, I'm trying to say how you can install it. Okay, and I'm also running Virtual Manager as my actually. Wait a minute. You can see I have Gentoo installation here. It's another one. I just want to start another virtual machine for you to install it from first step actually from this web page. Okay, we have Gentoo AMT64 handbook. So the first step is what? We can read it. Obviously, you don't need this video or other tutorial videos about how to install Gentoo or other stuff. But I can say Wiki Gentoo is one of the best wikis in GNU Linux distros. I like it really much. And also I like Arch Wiki too, but I don't like Debian Wiki actually. So because sometimes I'm confused when I read Debian Wiki. So let's try to read it. Okay, the Gentoo handbook is an effort centralized documentation into current handbook. Okay, so okay, let's install it. About the Gentoo Linux installation, this chapter introduces the installation approach documented with this book. Let's go. I don't want to make this video longer than 25 minutes or 20 minutes, so I can say it's only 6 minutes. I hope you understand until now. I didn't say anything important until now. Let's read it. Let's read it. It's not a big deal, just reading stuff. So my eyes are weak. I have to zoom in. Okay. Introduction. Welcome to Gentoo. Gentoo is for operating system based on Linux. It's not free actually. FSF said it's not free. So that can be automatically optimized and customized for just about any application or need, because it will compile with the package manager. They have this portage to specialized what you had. For example, you have some special CPU. Always we have always different CPUs. Most of those we don't have same CPUs in all laptops in the world. So we can compile it for special CPUs we have. So that's make a lot of difference. So let's read it. Okay. It is built on ecosystem on free software and doesn't hide what is running beneath the hood from its users. Of course it is. So, uh, okay, it's not much important here. How the installation is structured. That's cool. That's really cool. Only 10 steps. Step 1. The user is in a working environment ready to install Gentoo. Yeah, we have virtual machine manager here. And we are ready. Number 2, the internet connection is ready to install Gentoo. We have internet, but we don't have good internet, so it's okay too. Number 3, the hard disks are initialized to host the Gentoo installation. We didn't have, we don't make it right now. We just have number 1 and number 2. We have to do this. Number 4, the installation environment is prepared and the user is ready to chroot into the new environment. Number 5, core packages, which are the same on all Gentoo installation, are installed. Number 6, the Linux kernel is installed. Cool. Number 7, most of the Gentoo system configuration files are created. Number 8, the necessary system tools are installed. Number 9, the proper bootloader, grub 2, has been installed and configured. Number 10, the freshly installed Gentoo Linux environment is ready to be explored. That's cool. Actually, it's not hard steps. We can make it right now. So Gentoo can be installed in many different ways. It can be downloaded and installed from official Gentoo installation menus such as bootable ISO images. We just make it like this. The installation media can be installed USB stick or access via notebook environment. Non-official media such as already installed distribution or non-Gentoo like this. For example, they are installed, like it's a live Gentoo. Okay, so let's go. Choosing the media. Media actually. So live GUI, we have it. We can have it, but I don't want this way. It's maybe very easier than other stuff. So and some users may find it easier to install Gentoo Live GUI, which provides KDE desktop environment in addition to providing a useful graphical environment. The Live GUI has more kernel module firmware which can help with using modern Wi-Fi chipset. Okay, water stage files, obtain the media and also like this. Okay, mm, we can try to read it and continue this way. It's just refine download files. I hope I downloaded in actually right way because I just downloaded from this web page and it's not the wrong stuff. So I trust myself. Uh, okay, it's just making bootable the device, the USB. Not a big deal. I did it before. Actually, I didn't need it to do this because I just want to install it in my virtual machine. So I just need a ISO file and I downloaded before. And okay, it's not a important stuff. You skip it, and nothing important. That's maybe cool, but I don't want to read it from here. Let's go. Let's go to my virtual machine. I just turn off the other one and try to make a real one. Okay, maybe force off is better. I don't run special things on that. So let's go. Browse. Actually, it's minimal. It's this, and automatically detected Gentoo Linux. So I'll say it's maybe six. Yeah, 6,300 is enough, I guess. Maybe 6 GB. 6 GB is enough, I guess. So 3 cores. It's enough to maybe 3 GB. It's enough. I say Gentoo YouTube, maybe. Okay. So we have it here. So yeah, let's start. I hope you have my screen. Load key map. What's key map? So actually say, are you speaking English? Yeah, you speak English. Yes, I am speaking English. So I entered. Okay, looking for CD-ROM copyright. Mm-hmm. OpenRC is coming. OpenRC is like an alternative for systemd, and I just downloaded the OpenRC for my service manager. So yeah, let's. So I have my live CD on my live Gentoo. So everything is working here. I have ping to Google. Yeah, I have it. So my network is cool. So I don't need the network part in wiki. So actually, let's go to. Wait a minute. Let's go and find other stuff. I don't need proxy actually. I don't need Ethernet interface for ADSL. Uh, it's okay. It's okay. I don't need the stuff. And okay, I go to preparing the disks. That's cool. That's maybe cool, really. So I have to make a partition. Most of the people like to make partition with fdisk or other stuff. It doesn't matter really. It's not a very different tools. So I try to use fdisk dev vda actually, I guess. So changes will remain. I have to first create a near GPT partition table. So I created my table, GPT table. I don't I don't want MBR. So uh, I don't remember what letter should create a partition. So I will see here maybe. Yeah, it's D. Yeah, I'm not sure. No, it's N. It's N. So I'll try N. I don't have it here. Maybe I should zoom in. N and partition number 1. First sector default 2 gigabyte is enough for a slash boot because only kernels go there, so it's not it it doesn't need a big space. So I just installed. I just created that. The other one is slash root directory. So I installed that too. Not a big deal, so easy really. So I have to write it. I write it. I wrote that, so it's not important. I have to format it to x4 because I need x4. The VDA1, the VDA2, and now I can see lsblk. I have VDA disk with 2 partitions, VDA1 for slash boot and VDA2 for slash. So let's go to wiki. Creating EFI, I didn't create for EFI stuff. Creating the swap partition, I don't need swap partitions. I have enough RAM, I guess. So I created root partitions. I saved that. I wrote it. I wrote that actually. Partition disk is MBR. I don't want MBR. I just try GPT. And creating file system. I created that for you. Mounting. Okay, let's mount it. mkdir parents. Oh, and mnt Gentoo. Okay, so now we have to mount it. We have to mount the VDA2 in our state because the VDA2 partition is for a slash and root. So we have to use it. Mount dev VDA2 to mount Gentoo. Okay. So we done this step 2. Let's go to next step, installing the stage file. Such a large and long time. It will waste my time because the network to installing the stage. Actually, I have to use links for browsing in CLI. So I go to mnt or mount Gentoo. Okay, we have nothing here. We have to download stay 3 and you don't need change date. The date is good, I guess. It's okay. It's okay. It's not bad. So you have to download it. Gentoo org downloads mirrors. Downloads mirrors. Okay. We go with that. I have to install it. I installed package in Gentoo with image command. So you can say links. You don't have image. What the? Wait a second. Oh, that was bad, really. Links, I mean. Yeah, not links. So, it's kind of browsing CLI. I use my mouse. So, let's download it. Gentoo.org downloads mirrors. I can't copy it because I can't copy pasting because I use VM, so I can't copy paste here. I can copy paste after I installed the base and I ran SSH, and then I can SSH to it and copy paste stuff to that. Like another VM I had, I did like this. So I go to links, gentoo.org, downloads, mirrors, uh, request sent. Okay, let's go. Doesn't matter really. I try to. Everyone is. Every mirror is bad for me because it's not about mirrors. It's my network. So I will go to Netherlands maybe. Netherlands first one. Okay. Releases AMD64 autobuts, and I will try to use not sure, but I will try OpenRC desktop and AMD64. Yeah, that's cool, I guess. Let's go to it. I zoom in, maybe you can see it. So let's go. So the newest one is this, I guess. Yeah. So I try to download it here. Do you want to save or display this file? I want to save it. Okay. How many minutes I have to wait? Like about 6 minutes. So I just stop the video or stop it for next episode. So how minutes it took? Like 23 minutes. So that's enough for the first part. What I did right now, what I did, it was first I talked about Gentoo. Gentoo is a distribution, and it's cool if you want to learn more about GNU Linux and try and make troubles for yourself. Actually, I don't mean bad for Gentoo. I mean when you make troubles, when you face the problems you don't know, you will get more knowledge, because most of us, we don't use a complex distribution. We use just friendly stuff. We like it. So sometimes if you want to learn more knowledge, we have to try complex stuff. Maybe we like it or maybe we don't like it. We just want experience. So that's why we should try to install Gentoo, in my opinion. Why you should use it, I don't know. If you install that and you like that and you like the optimization and you like to compile your packages, it's very good. Keep it and use it. Number 4, why I make this video? Because I like to show what I like to do. That's it. Are you bored? Tell me, are you bored or not? Maybe in comments. Yeah, I like to hear it, but I don't like to say oh, subscribe or any bullshit stuff because it's absolutely boring video. So I don't want you to like it or anything like this. Just watch it, and if you like that, um, tell me why you like that, or if you dislike that, tell me why you dislike this. Okay, I just wait for it will download it and have a good day or good night. Bye.